Hey guys, it's me Cedrix, and today we're at Baguio City. So this is our room. So as you can see, nakapagpahinga na kami. And I think today wala muna kaming gagawin. I think wala naman kami masyadong gagawin ngayon. Wala pa naman kaming pupuntahan. So 3 days kami dito sa Baguio. So ngayong araw na to, wala pa naman kami pupuntahan. So, bukas pa lang yung, kumbaga, trip namin. So, this is my bed and here's my phone. So, dahil wala naman kami masyadong gagawin ngayon, I think mag-edit na lang ako ng mga videos. Nag-film ako kahapon ng mga videos with my cousins, which will be, I think, up by now kung you're watching this. Tatlo yung video na film namin, which is the Pie Face Showdown, the Chubby Bunny Challenge, and the Bean Boozled Challenge. So yeah, I will be editing those later if may time, and probably gonna watch the Harry Potter Deathly Hallows Part 2. Recently, na-addict ako sa Harry Potter. I don't know why. Because yung friend ko, meron siyang copy ng buo, except yung Chamber of Secrets. So, minarathon ko yung mga movie na yun. So, hindi ko pa napapanood yung last movie, which is the Deathly Hallows Part 2. And, yeah, so ito. My laptop is charging there and my phone is here. So, tingnan natin yung view dito sa bintana. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Wala palang view. Puro building. Napaka-anticlimactic naman. Grabe. Pero ang ganda ng lighting. Ang ganda yung lighting. Mag-film siguro ako ng video dito. Maganda yung lighting. Natural lighting. Mag-film siguro ako ng video dito ngayon or later kapag Di ko alam kung meron kaming itinerary ngayon. I think wala muna. Kasi pagod kasi na lahat halos. So yeah. Sipa ko na guys ng buhok since kaninang nagbiyahe kami kasi parang nakakairita kapag magbiyahe ka tapos inaalala mo yung buhok mo kung gugulo ba or maayos. So yeah. Update ko na lang kayo later. Bye! So yeah, katapos ko lang mag-film ng video. Kaya naka-stand yung camera ko. And now I'm going to edit. Ang ganda talaga ng lighting dito, visit. Oh, may nag-comment pa ang papogi ko daw sa mga video ko. Kill yourself daw. Why? I'm editing a video na which is the Pie Face Showdown. And I hope you guys like that video kasi I think upload ng vlog na to is naka-upload na to. Mauna kasi ito bago tong vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So yeah, we're going to head out na. Aalis muna kami to get dinner and iwan ako sa room. So ayun, natatapos lang namin kumain. Ay na.
Doon, yan.
Nakatapos lang namin kumain.
Oo nga. Sarap. Busog. Busog, busog. Busog, busog, busog.
So you might be wondering, Cedrix, what on earth are you wearing? Kasi naman, babasok kanina, naka-polo shirt lang. Tapos napatras ako, so kumuha na lang ako ng jacket. Kaya yan. Yan yung situation ng damit ko ngayon.
Malamig, malamig.
So ayun, pabalik muna kami sa hotel and then magna-night market kami. We're walking again. So yan, nandito na kami. they are so slow. Ito yung hotel na pinagstayan namin. So ngayon nasa Burnham Park kami. Punta kami sa night market. Pagod.
Tatlo isang daan ito, 40 lang ito. Tatlo isang daan na jacket niya, tatlo isang daan lang. Bagong bukas lang. Hindi na, baka di pa naman po yan, murang-murang. Tatlo isang daan na dyan.
That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.